ॐ येनात्मना विलीयन्ते उद्भवन्ति च वृत्तयः नित्यावगतये तस्मै नमोऽधीः प्रत्ययात्मने प्रमथ्यवज्रोपमयुक्तिसंभृतैः श्रुतेररातीन् शतशो वचोऽसिभिः ररक्ष वेदार्थनिधिं विशालधीर् नमो यतीन्द्राय गुरोर्गरीयसे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। श्लोक नंबर 185. पूर्व पक्षी gave the drishtanta of Krishnalan Shrapayet. The golden beads, they have to be cooked so that they can be used for prayaja. But the vikliti, the softening of the Krishnala, the golden beads, is not going to happen. There is a pratyaksha virodha. It is only for shuddhi. So Purva Pakshi said, in the same way, Advaita Jnanam Aham Brahmasmi, there is pratyaksha virodha. My dukkha has not gone. Therefore, Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam is for Prasankhyanam. Sitika, page 309, first line. Shrute api atmano brahmatve पूर्णत्वा दर्शनात् अतः प्रसंख्यानेन आत्म संस्कारार्थता वाक्यस्य इति चेत् तत्र उत्तरम् आह. पूर्व पक्षी says श्रुते अपि आत्मनो ब्रह्मत्वे. You have heard that Atma is Brahma. Atmano Brahmatve Shrute api Purnatva Adarsanat. I have not understood, I have not seen myself as infinite. Adarsanat. Therefore, what one should do? Ataha prasankhyanena atma samskararthata vakyasya. Vakya means Mahavakya. Mahavakya is for atma samskara, chitta shuddhi. How you do prasankhyanam? You do avritti. Prasankhyana word was explained earlier in 17th, 18th shloka of this chapter. So avritti with yukti, etc., it will give you chitta shuddhi. Then you will attain Brahma later. So Uttara is given akshajadi. Akshajadi nibhaihi etaihi katham syad vakya vadanam. These are pratyakshadi sadrisha. Mean they are not pramana. Pratyakshadi, they are only sadrisha of pramana. They are abhasa. Tika. So how they can do badha of Mahavakya? Purvapakshi said Mahavakya will be badhita by pratyaksha dvaita. He said no. भवेद एवं यदि कर्तृत्वादि प्रतिभासस्य प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाणता स्यात् नैतदस्ति एवं भवेद. Okay, this may happen if कर्तृत्वादि प्रतिभासस्य प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाणता स्यात्. कर्तृत्वादि प्रतिभास will have pratyaksha pramanata, that I am karta. This is pratyaksha siddha. If this has pramanata and my kartrutva is contradicted by akartrutva of Brahma, then this what you are saying is true. But it is not the case. Na etadasti. Why? The kartrutva in Atma is adhyastha ahankara apekshaya. Adhyastha ahankaradi uparagam antarena swata atmani dukkhitwadi dharma sambandhasya निराकृतत्वात् अतः प्रत्यक्षादि आभासैः एतैः प्रमाणभूत वाक्य बाधनम कथम स्यात् नैव स्यात् इत्यादि. Ahankara which is superimposed on Atma. Because of this superimposition adhyasa, therefore in Atma there is dukkhitwadi dharma. Without adhyasa, uparagam antarena means vina. Swataha atmani dukkhitwadi dharma sambandhasya nirakritatvat. Swataha in Atma, dukkhitwadi dharma sambandha is not possible. Ataha, therefore, pratyakshadi abhasaihi etaihi, by this abhasa, pratyakshadi abhasa, how can pramana bhuta mahavakya get badhita? In other words, we should feel pratyaksha is not pramana, pratyaksha is abhas. The one who understands this, one who feels this, for that person, that sadhaka, mahavakya will work. Those who say pratyaksha is also pramana, mahavakya is also pramana, and pratyaksha is conflicting with mahavakya, they will never have nishtha. So this is a prerequisite. Pratyaksha is abhasa. Then only it will not be doing badha of mahavakya. Prayaje krishnalam juhoti itivat brahmajnane samskritasya atmano anyatra viniyoga darshanat. Krishnalam, when it is shrapayet, earlier it is said, he says prayaje krishnalam juhoti. In prayaja, this krishnala, the golden beads, juhoti, their offering is done. Itivat brahmajnane samskritasya atmano anyatra viniyog adarshanath. Brahmajnane means brahmajnane na, you should understand. With brahmajnanam that you have attained through mahavakya, Atma becomes purified. Purva Pakshi said, for that purification you should do prasankhana. Siddhanti says that purified Atma, where else you are going to use? Like how purified Krishnala you are using for prayaja. Purified Atma, where will you use now? Because you have already used up mahavakya for chitta shuddhi. Where else you will need this? So viniyoga adarshanath. Iha na samskararthatvam vakyasya upapadyate. So here vakyasya samskararthatvam is not there. Then sadhaka, genuine sadhaka, they have this problem. They say, I have been listening to Vedanta. I have been a good student, dedicated. Every time your class is there, 5 minutes before I am available. Some people come exactly after I do Om Shanti Shanti, then they show up. But many of them, they are there in time, before time. I do my recitation, I do my homework, I do some seva, everything. I am not understanding Mahavakya. What is the problem? See this last line of 185 in Tika. Sadhyo Brahmatva Adarshanam. Instantly I should get the realization. I am not getting it. Why? Brahmatva Adarshanam is not happening. What is the reason? Adarshanam tu padartha mati dardya abhavat iti uktameva iti bhava. Only this much is the reason. Padartha mati dardya abhava. See, teacher is saying you have actually not understood what is Tvam Pada and what is Tat Pada. And in that, you don't have Dridha Mati, Dridha Buddhi. This is the only problem. If you have understood what is Tvam, Lakshyartha, if you have understood what is Tat, Lakshyartha, you will have instant realization. What a wonderful teaching. Padartha Mati Darde Abhavat. Brahmatva, Sadhyo Brahmatva Adarsha. What is this? What does this mean? Understand a little bit. If I have heard I am Brahma, and then it is said Brahma is never Dukhi, but I am Dukhi. Therefore, how can I be Brahma? So we should analyze Dukkham belongs where? Sthula Sharira, Sukshma Sharira, Karana Sharira, or Atma. So you say physical pain is there, it is in body, which is felt by Antakarana, which is Sukshma Sharira. Hunger and thirst, Pranamaya Push, Ashana Pipasa. Jara Mrityu, because I am old, how can I be Brahma? Or because I am too young, how can I be Brahma? Jara Mrityu, they are Dehadhara. So when Upanishad says you are Brahma, that you does not include Sthula Sharira, Sukshma Sharira, Karana Sharira. So a person who doesn't assimilate this well, only this much, that when Acharya says you are Brahma, I should not include Upadhi. Free of Upadhi, I am Brahma. That is real me. If I constantly attach this package of Panchakosha with me, and then I say, I have this issue, that issue, how can I be Brahma? So Sadhyo Brahmatva Darshanam is not possible. Because the Tat Padartha, which is equated with Tam Padartha, does not include Upadhi. Upadhi Rahita, I am Brahma. If I have understood this, my question would be, how can I not be Brahma? Identified with Upadhi, how can I be Brahma? So it is discarding Upadhi in understanding. Vairagya is for this purpose, sannyasa is for this purpose, all sadhanas are for this purpose only. In the next line, there is a correction. Nanu evam virodhita lakshana pramanya bhavepi. Lakshana, not nakshana. Lakshana. You have to connect. Lakshana pramanya bhavepi. स्याद अनुपत्ति लक्षणम अप्रामाण्यम वाक्यस्य इति पूर्ववादी शंकते. पूर्ववादी means पूर्व पक्षी. So 186 is the shloka of पूर्व पक्षी, mostly Siddhanti only at the end. There is one अनुपपत्ति or अनुत्पत्ति लक्षणम अप्रामाण्यम. अनुत्पत्ति means Mahavakya will not produce knowledge only, Purvapakshi saying. Knowledge in the form of I am Brahma, which is Dukkha Rahita. This Jnanam itself will not come. Even though, so that is called Anutpatti Lakshanam Apramanyam. Anutpatti. He says, Virodhita Lakshana Apramanya Abhava. Means Virodhita Lakshana Pramanya is there. Apramanya Abhava. Apramanya Abhava means Pramanya. Virodhita Lakshana Apramanya Abhava. Virodhita means that which is opposite. Pratyakshadi Pramana is opposing Vedanta Pramana. Vedanta Pramana has the ability to eliminate the Pratyakshadi Pramana Janya Dvaita. So Vedanta has the ability to do this. Purva Paksha says yes, but it will not be able to do. That Jnana Utpatti itself will not happen. How? Dukhyasmi tisati jnane nirdukhi tina jayate pratyakshadini bhatvepi vakyanna vyabhicharatah. Dukhyasmi tisati jnane nirdukhi tina jayate प्रत्यक्षादिनि भत्वेपि वाक्यान्न व्यभिचारतः. दुःखी अस्मि इति सति ज्ञाने. ज्ञाने सति दुःखी अस्मि इति ज्ञाने सति निर्दुःखी इति न जायते. When I am dukhi, this jnanam is there, then nirdukhi jnanam will never take place. Its utpatti itself will never happen. Why? He says, even if you say pratyaksha pramana is like pratyaksha abhasa, so pratyakshadi nibhatve api nirdukti na jayate. Even if it is not pramana, it is abhasa. So I am dukhi is abhasa, it is a pramana. I am Brahma, nirdukhi is pramanika. So what should happen? Pramana jnana should do father of abhasa jnana. But he says, I am dukhi is so strong. I am dukhi, this jnana utpatti itself will not happen. So vakyat pratyakshati tasmi iti jnane sati वाक्यात निर्दुखी इति न जायते. This is पूर्व पक्ष. सिद्धांत से न व्यभिचारतः विचार. दुःखित्वादि भानस्य उक्तरीत्या प्रत्यक्षादि आभासत्वे अपि दुःखित्व भान is even though it आभास दुःखी अस्मि इति विरोधि गन्धिनि ज्ञाने सति when this jnana is present but दुःखी अस्मि इति विरोधि ज्ञान विरोधि गन्धिनि means it is विरुद्ध वाक्या निर्दुःखी इति विज्ञानं जायते then महावाक्यात् निर्दुःखी ज्ञानं will not take place वाहे पूर्व सिद्धतया प्रत्यक्ष असंविरोधेन प्राबल्यम् अस्ति अभिप्राय इट इज पूर्व सिद्ध प्रत्यक्ष पूर्व सिद्ध प्रत्यक्षस्य पूर्व सिद्धतया असंजात विरोधित्वेन when प्रत्यक्ष can you hear me
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes.
प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञानम is असंजात विरोधी पूर्व सिद्ध असंजात विरोधी means when pratyaksha jnanam took place no other pramana was available so it is asanjata virodhi all the other pramanas came later and they used pratyaksha for their functioning असंजात विरोधित्वेन प्राबल्यम अस्ति इति अभिप्रायः so it is प्रबल प्रत्यक्ष is प्रबल दूषयति न व्यभिचारत इति so Siddhanti says no there is व्यभिचार in this understanding tameva व्यभिचारम आह that व्यभिचार is being explained स्वप्ने दुःख्यहमध्यासं दाहच्छेदादि हेतुतः तत्काल भाविभिर्वाक्यैर् न बाध क्रियते यदि स्वप्ने दुःख्यहमध्यासं दाहच्छेदादि हेतुतः तत्काल भाविभिर्वाक्यैर् न बाध क्रियते यदि स्वप्ने दुखी हम अहम अध्यासम दाहच्छेदादि हेतुतः स्वप्ने दाहच्छेदादि हेतुतः अहम दुखी इति अध्यासम तत्काल भाविभीर वाक्यैहि बाधः न क्रियते यदि, then you have to do this next shloka. तथा तथापि दुःखम आत्मत्व व्यभिचारी इत्याह. Even then, so that we will see, just let us see this much first. He says in Swapna, somebody gets daha, or gets burned. Somebody has shed a cut in the body. So because of that, he is suffering. That suffering is adhyas only. Dukhi aham, this is adhyas, because of the daha chedadi hetu. At that time, if somebody says, this is illusion, this is not real, in Swapna, then instantly, through that vakya, you will be able to negate that dukkha. Even if it doesn't happen, that is where the shloka stops. 187 says, even if it doesn't happen, yadi na badha kriyate, then the next one. Samapte starhi dukkhasya akcha tad badha ishyatam nahi dukkhasya santano भ्रांतिर्वा दृश्यते क्वचित् समाप्ते स्तर्हि दुःखस्य प्राक्च तद्बाधयिष्यताम् न हि दुःखस्य सन्तानो भ्रांतिर्वा दृश्यते क्वचित्. Even if somebody tells and you don't realize, when you wake up from swapna, दुःखस्य समाप्तेः प्राक् च तद्बाधयिष्यताम्. Either when you wake up from the dream or when somebody tells you in the dream in the form of upadesha and you understand. So दुःखस्य समाप्तेः प्राक् और ऊर्ध्वम च तद्बाधयिष्यताम्. Before that dukkha ends, you understand this is mithya. Or dream is over, you wake up and you understand. Nahi dukkhasya santano bhranterva kvachit drishyate. The dukkha doesn't continue, santana, santati. Or that bhranti, na kvachit drishyate. Because when you realize, you see there is no dukkham. Just like there is no sarpa in Rajya. See Tika 187 first. Swapne dahaच्छेदादि हेतुतो निमित्तात् aham dukhi asam tad aptopadeshan nirdukho abhuvam iti anubhava siddhatvat. In swapna, because of daha, cheda, etc., I am dukhi or I was dukhi, this thinking comes. At that time, tada aptopadeshat, apta purushas mahavakya upadeshat, nirdukho abhuvam, I became free from dukkha. Iti anubhava siddhatva. This is the anubhava of people. Therefore, dukkhitvadi is not atmadharma. Na atmadharmo dukkhitvadi rityartha. तत्र पराभिनिवेशम अनुभवति. In this, para abhinivesham is there. Para abhinivesham means some upadesha you have attained through paravakya. Or para here means tatkala bhavi vir vakya. If somebody says no, it doesn't happen, that way you can take para. Para means anya. Because of their abhinivesha, they say no, I don't see this as bada. जैसे तत्काल भावी भेर वाक्य ही बाधा यदि न क्रियते, if that बाधा is not there, तथापि then also दुःखम is आत्मव्यभिचारी. दुःखस्य समाप्तेः ऊर्ध्वम. दुःखम is not going to continue as long as Atma is there. दुःखस्य समाप्तेः ऊर्ध्वम. Before dukkha ends, you can do बाधा. तद बाधो दुख बाध इष्यते. एवं प्राक् च पूर्वमपि, बिफोर दुखम न अभूत, earlier also dukham was not there, iti tad badha ishyata. In this way, then badha is traikalika badha. Not that right now there is no dukham, but earlier it was there. It was never there. मध्ये दृश्यमानस्य शुक्ति रूप्यवत् मिथ्या व्यभिचारात् इत्यर्थः. And if it is there in madhya, आदावन्ते च यन्नास्ति वर्तमानेपि तत्तथा. इत्तथै सदृशा सन्तो तथा इत्वलक्षिता. So in middle it is mithya. It is vyabhichari. Vyabhichari means it is not there in the beginning, not there at the end. In the middle it is appearance only. कुतो बाधयिष्यते इति अत्र हेतुमा. What is hetu? Why it will get बाधिता? नहीं दुःखस्य संतानो भ्रान्तिर्वा. भ्रान्तिर्वा इति दृष्टान्तार्थो वा शब्दः. तस्मात् तद् दुःखित्वादेः आत्मनि सति व्यभिचारात् आगन्तुकस्य च अविकारिणी आत्मनि अनुपपत्तेः. भ्रान्तेः वा, दिस इज दृष्टान्तार्थो वा शब्दः. So Drishtanta you take, Shukti Rajata is given here in the second line, next line. Va Shabda. Tasmat tad dukkhitvadehe atmani sati. In Atma, when I feel I am dukhi, etc. Vyabhicharat. It is vyabhichari because all the time Atma is not dukhi. Sometimes I feel dukhi, then not dukhi. Therefore, dukkham is agantuka or swabhavika?
Agantuka.
Agantukasya cha dukkhasya. And avikari is Atma. Avikarini Atmani anupapatte. Avikari vastu cannot have anything arriving in it. If something comes, Atma will become vikari. But Atma is avikari. So agantuka is not possible. Swabhavika is definitely not possible. Atmani anupapatte. Aropitatva siddhau. Therefore, that dukkham is agantuka but aropita. It is only superimposition and it has come. And as superimposition, it will go. Aropitatva siddhau. Pramana jnanam shukti tattva jnanam iva. Vedanta jnanam is shukti tattva jnanam. Rajatadi badhanena. दुःखित्वादि बाधनम कुर्वत एव वाक्याद उदेति. प्रमाण ज्ञानम उदेति. शंका वाज प्रमाण ज्ञान अनुत्पत्ति लक्षणम अप्रामाण्यम Anutpatti Lakshana. Siddhanti says, no, Pramana Jnanam will take place. How it will take place? It will do Bada of Dukhitvadi Jnana. Purva Pakshi said, as long as Dukhitva Jnanam is there, Nirdukhi Jnanam will not. He said it will बाधनम कुर्वत एव दुखित्व परिच्छिन्नत्व जड़त्व आदि बाधनम कुर्वत व्यक्तित्व आई एम ए पर्सन दिस विल बी नेगेटेड वाक्याद् उदेति इति न वाक्यस्य असामर्थ्य शंका अवकाश इति तात्पर्यार्थ therefore there is no scope for this doubt that vakya will not have any ability samarthya to produce jnanam. Is definitely it is going to produce jnanam and it is going to do bhaga alvaita. So this is beautiful portion in this entire text. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarajanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Yomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.